The topic of this video is the Upwork cover letter for the video editor. So let's get going. I have opened my Upwork profile. A platform for freelancing called Upwork links companies with independent contractors from around the globe. It is a fantastic method for locating employment, but using it effectively is crucial. This is the search bar from where you can search for jobs on the right side of your screen. I will write here, video editor. You will find a lot of jobs here. Just scroll down and see. I will apply some filters on the left side of the page. Adding my experience level, the number of proposals, and then the contacts needed. You can add filters of your own choice as a result. I will find some jobs related to these applied filters. I will open this first profile by clicking on it. Here is the job description that the client requires from you. You must have carefully gone through the whole job description. You should read each point of the description carefully. If this job meets your specified requirements, simply click on Apply Now. You have to submit a proposal by filtering out your job requirements. First, propose a specialized profile. You can review one more time the job description, job type, skills, and expertise that are required for this job. You get the option to add milestones. Simply add your milestone, choose a date, and then rate. Set your hourly rate. The freelancer service fee is already fixed, as is the payment that you will receive after job completion. If you are hired for the long term, you can schedule a rate increase after 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. I will go with 1 to 3 months. And now the substantial part of this video is the cover letter in the additional details. Write a proposal following the job requirements if you are proficient in English and have strong writing abilities that will help you impress clients. For this purpose, all you have to do is simply select and copy the whole job description. Otherwise, for the cover letter, I will suggest to you the best AI tool, which is Bard AI. I am already logged in and opened it in another tab. If not, sign in with a Google account first. Here, it is important to remember that you must prompt Bard correctly and precisely. Simply give a prompt, write a reply with the description of the video editor job. The description is here, and paste that copied description. Then hit enter. The thorough cover letter can be found right away. However, this is too long. If you want to get hired on Upwork, create a brief but effective cover letter. We need a single paragraph. So, for this purpose, what you have to do is write a prompt again, write a reply to this description in a single paragraph to make it short. That's perfect now. Just copy this content. Let us revisit Upwork and paste it here. It will need some proofreading and editing. You can get help from Grammarly, the best tool for grammar and spelling correction. You can also attach any portfolio or document here. Make some changes of your choice and it is completed. You can add any documents here. Click on Send for 4 connections. A pop-up will appear for confirmation of terms and conditions. Simply click Yes, I understand, and now click Continue and Submit. You have successfully written an Upwork cover letter as a video editor. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.